how we can be able to create website pages in HubSpot. To create website pages in HubSpot, all you need to do is just to come over to this particular place here. You go to content, then you click on website pages, and when you click on website pages, it's going to take you to this place where you can create your website. So creating websites in HubSpot is just allowing you to be able to keep all of the things you are doing in your business in an ecosystem. Because if you have your website on HubSpot, you have your landing pages in HubSpot, you have products in HubSpot, then you do not need to start getting multiple tools. That means you can do everything in HubSpot, and I think that's one of the things that is very amazing about HubSpot, because it allows you to do everything concerning your business in one place. You do not need to get a booking tool, you do not need to get a website builder, you do not need to get social media connector. All of everything is in one place, and that is why HubSpot is a big ecosystem. So when you want to create your website page, you just click on create website page, and it is showing us the template we have already picked for the website. So we can decide to edit manually, but we need to choose a template. So let's just pick this. Let's pick this one. So we can decide to edit this manually, and when we click on edit manually, it is the same way we just edited our landing page. That is the way we are going to edit our website page. We can decide to add in a new section in here, and when we click on add section, as you can see, we have various sections that we can add in. And you can also decide to add in various elements like testimonial. You can add in page footer, you can add in the heading, the section heading, you can even add in a text if you want. So to add in text, you can just drag and drop something in here, and you can add whatever it is. Then you can edit it, and if you want to edit, you come over to content and you edit in expanded view. Then you can be able to edit all of this content. So you can also decide to add in different things like meetings, like payments. You can add in products if you want. So when you drag and drop in products, as you can see, we can select the particular product we want to add to this landing page. You can pick whatever product you want to add, and you click on select, and that is going to add the product. Because our product do not have an image, so yeah, or we can even add an image in here, override it. So we click on upload image. Let's see if we can drag in. Yeah, so let's just bring this in, then we bring that in as our product image. So this is for our other product, then they can be able to learn more about the product. So that is for that. We can also add in things like the menu, we can add in site search, we can add in buttons, we can add in forms if you want. You can also add in icons, you can add in images into your website. So you can add in all of this, you can add in various things actually. So let's say we want to pick a particular image and want to use, oh my god, this again, so let's just leave that thing. So we can add in various things. Like I said, we can add in, these are all of the 66 things you can add. You can add in blog image, you can add a divider, you can add in image grid, logo. You can, let's say we want to add logo. Let's see how that is going to look like. So let's bring that up here. Oops. Okay, so let's try and add in our logo in here. Let's see how that is going to work. Yeah, so our logo has been added in inside of this page. We can add in the URL for the logo, and when we click on add, also we can add in 2 columns or 1 column. We can add in ticket listings, we can add in all of these things. So like I said, for landing page, the way I explain landing page is also the way this also works. We have the section in here where you can be able to see the different sections that we currently have in this landing page. You can check for this section and it's going to move to that, and you can edit whatever section you want to add. You can also optimize this title and meta description for Google search purpose. So we can name this so let's say we want to name this CRM instructors page, just for tutorial sake. Then you can edit this however you want. Like you can add in a featured image, you can change your template, you can change your language also, your page language, and you can use the advanced where you can add in the head or the footer HTML. Okay, so you can also decide to do an A and B test for the landing page. You can also change the global settings by changing the global color, or you can change the typography by changing the font. You can also change the forms if you want. You can change the maybe the labels and all of those things. But remember that whatever you change here is going to affect all of the things in the landing page, because it is a global change you are making. So you can also see here where we have the site navigator. We can view all of the pages we currently have in this particular website, and you can also create another web page if you want. So when we go back in here and we click on landing pages, we can see the landing pages we have created, and you can click on the action to edit it if you want. But for website pages, we can create multiple website pages and just add them in as one website. Okay, so you can also add in the navigation menu, and you can just bring that in here, and as you can see, it has added that in. And we can edit the menu that we have, so we can add in some CTA button. So we can change this. This is a button, and we can change this from get started to home. So let's say this is home, then we apply changes. Okay, they will link to another web page that is currently built in HubSpot. You can also do the same thing. You can go back to, let's go back to navigation. Then we add in another button. You can add in a button, or you can lead to HubSpot CTA, or let's just use button. So we can name this. After we have home, we can name another one, and we can name it maybe contact us. Yeah, contact us. Then we can say it should link to a URL, or we can say it link to another page in HubSpot. We can then select the particular page we want this to link to. So that is how to create these websites, because you are going to have multiple web pages that you are going to be linking these navigation buttons to. So remember that when you are doing this, you have to make sure you connect this menu to the different places that you want for it to actually work. So we have the home and we have the contact us, then our logo is in here. You can edit whatever it is you want to edit. If you want to edit the body of this, you just need to click on whatever it is you want to edit, the section you want to edit. Then you go to the part you want to edit. You edit the content in here. The part you need to change the image, you can change that. Just change the template however you want. And if you want to drag in another section, you just need to click on plus in here, and you drag in, if you want to drag in another module or element, you can just drag whatever it is you want to drag and drop all of them in here. Okay, so after editing everything and making sure that everything is correct, you can preview the landing page to see how it's going to look like. So when you click on home, wherever you home is leading to, it's going to lead there. When you click on contact us, it is also going to lead to the other page that we have done. Yeah, I'm sorry, this landing page is kind of ugly, but it's just for tutorial sake. Okay, so that is for the web page. So let's just go back and see, and we can publish now, or we can publish later for these web pages. When you click on scheduling options, you can schedule in the future if you want to make sure that this landing page or this web page, this website published in the future. So you can, to do that we need to upgrade. Yeah, we're not upgrading. Yeah, we need to upgrade to start that plan, but it's fine. I'm just going to publish now. So when I publish now, this website has been published, and I can then copy the link to this website in here, and I can copy this into my browser and see how this website is going to look like. So remember that you can change things, you can move things around for this website. You can change the button to see the particular place each button is going to lead to. So now when you want to do this, you have to make sure that you create different web pages, so that maybe one of the web pages is leading to home, another one is leading to contact us, another one is about the about us page. Create those different multiple web pages and just insert everything together. Yeah, so that is how to create web pages. So if you enjoyed this lesson up until the end, I want to say a very big thank you for watching this. And also do not forget that if you're having issues with your HubSpot, you can book a free discovery call in the description below, and we're going to help you take a look at your current setup in your HubSpot account, and we're going to help you also to be able to maximize HubSpot to the fullest potential. So book your free discovery call in the link in the description below, and do not also forget to download your free guide, which is going to help you set up HubSpot optimally. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be posting amazing content like this, and we do not want you to miss out. Also, like this video and also share to everyone who you think is going to find this video useful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.